Namaskar, my name is Gundicha Pradhan, working in Kutch Chemicals, Gujarat, chloralkali plant in QC department. Honorable Chairman and Goel Brothers, Kutch Chemical, Gujarat. Respected Chief Executive Director P.N. Uchasha, Senior Vice President Umesh Tiwari sir in HO, Vice President Technical in plant site Arun Kumar Dubey sir. Now we will discuss vacuum degasifier in our plant. It is based on William Henry Cellar, that is the solubility of the gas in a liquid is directly proportional to its partial pressures. Now we will find out partial pressure. Now our plant is running at 580 TPD ton per day, and accordingly we will find out the partial pressure developed in vacuum degasifier. Now our vacuum degasifier is working under minus 6.230 kg per cm square, or it is equal to 1.0332274 equal to 760 mm. Therefore 0.630 kg per cm square is equal to 760 by 1.0332274 into 0.630 is equal to 463.4 mm Hg. Now it is Hg. Now we converted this pressure to mm. Now our production is 580 TPD ton per day. 580 into 0.886 is equal to total production of chlorine. Then what will become 580 into 0.886 equal to 513,188 tons of chlorine. Then we will find out per second. So 513.88 kgs by 360 second in 24 hours equal to 513.88 into 1000 divided 24 equal to 5.948 kgs of chlorine per second. It is per second. So then we will find out the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to 59488 by 71. 71 is equal to molecular weight of the chlorine. So divide 71 equal to 0.0837. It is the kg mole of chlorine per second. Okay. Now the partial partial pressure inside the vacuum degasifier equal to 0.0837 into 0.0082 into 300 Kelvin into that volume, that pressure 463.4 mm Hg by 25 m3. The capacity of vacuum degasifier. It is the kg mole of chlorine. It is the R constant of how it is coming. 1 atm into 22.4 by 273 Kelvin equal to, you will get 22.4 divided 273 is equal to 0.82. This value is coming from this. This value is 273 plus 27 degree centigrade equal to 300 Kelvin. This value is coming. This is the value of 0.630 kg per cm square. It is the pressure inside our vacuum degasifier, and I converted it to this to mmHg. Now we will find out 0.0837 into 0.082 into 300 into 463.4 divided 25 equal to 38.166 mmHg. It is the partial pressure inside the vacuum degasifier, 38.166 mmHg. Now we will convert it. Now it is 38.166 mmHg. Now we will convert to atm. Then 760 mmHg equal to 1 atm. 1 atm. 1 is equal to 1 by 760 atm, 760 mmHg into 38.166 mmHg is equal to divided by 760 equal to 0.0502 atm. atm means atmospheric pressure. So then how it becomes 760 mmHg, how it is equal to 1 atm. 1 atm is equal to 1.033274 kg per cm square. So how it is comes? It comes 0.76 into 13.395.1 into 9.80665 equal to, it will come 0.76 into 13.595.1 into 9.80665. It is comes 101,325 Newton per meter square, or is equal to 101,325 kilopascal or is equal to 1 atm. Now this thing I derived here, but here we got the result 0.0502 atm, मतलब means atmospheric pressure inside our vacuum gas, but it is equal to partial pressure. Thanks.